I have two favorite goals of Luis Suárez. He scored for the national team and in his career. The first one, it was a victory goal against South Korea in Port Elizabeth in the World Cup in 2010 in South Africa, because that meant that Uruguay qualified for the quarterfinal of the World Cup for the first time in 40 years and for the first time in my life, and the goal was really spectacular too. And my second favorite goal he scored against England in Sao Paulo, the first goal, 1-0, because we all remember the circumstances. Before that game, Uruguay lost the first one and Luis was injured and it was not certain that he could play in the game, but he made that. And the thing that we sat on the first row of the stadium, Kinga and myself, quite close to the English goal, and then Luis scored that with a beautiful header. He ran to us literally, and they celebrated the goal like 10 meters from us when we sat. That was a great emotion and great memory. I will never forget that.